Hi, welcome to the Commercial Gas Engineer channel. Called out to a leak in a plant room. This is a plant room, it's not a swimming pool, even though there's lots of water here. So they sent me here. Sometimes these leaks can be hard to find because when there's water everywhere, it's hard to know where it's coming from. But this helped because we're higher up and then we have water here. So we got 3 cold water booster sets, and then looked around here and saw this was leaking from here. So ensure that when you find a leak, if you're not going to fix it there and then, that you put a mark and a date and so on to pinpoint it for the other engineer that comes to site. Also, what I did is I isolated the pump so that it doesn't leak anymore, and just going to also get pump details. So around here you've got the data badge for the motor, and then up here you have the inverter badge. So those details are important. Sometimes it's good to get measurements as well of sizing, pipe sizing and so on. But in this scenario, we're not planning to replace the pump. The pump is working, it's just leaking, so we need to just sort out the mechanical seals on it. Could be leaking from inside, or it could just be leaking from down here, but that's going to have to be investigated. So we've got 3 pumps running. Sorry, 2 pumps running out of 3. Then I went around here to the panel and turned off the isolator for that particular pump, and now it's off. What I'm going to do now is spend most of my time left just with my broom mopping the water into the drain and using my wet vac to hoover it up. The plant room's a good design, but I can tell that it wasn't Isambard Brunel or Telford that designed the drain, because otherwise all the water would probably just wind its way into the drain. But it hasn't been designed that way. But I'm happy there's a drain in here nonetheless, and I probably wouldn't have done a better job of designing this plant room, so I can't complain too much. But you find that there's water around here even though the leak is over there. So it's not great. What should happen is the leak should work its way to a drain, or there should be more than one drain in here. I don't see why we have to have puddles of water. It's going to take me quite a while to gather up most of this water to make the area safe. Alright, I hope this video has helped you. Stay safe. Until next time. Bye bye bye.